Alright, this is Fordingbridge Park. See if you can guess where the river normally is. Bins underwater, picnic tables, the water gushing through the river there. It's still keeping to its banks along that side. I think the swans are coming to see me. So watch out. Disappears off down there. It's unbelievable. It's been like this for about a month and a bit now. And from about that corner there, or that bench, is where the water goes along to that sign across there, in front of that bench. So you can wade out there and do a bit of fishing. There you go, unbelievable.